fam, it's Linda Word. So, I am coming on showing you guys the hair that I decided to wear for this week. This is actually my Indonesian hair. Originally, I was gonna wear my super by wig. I don't know what happened with that wig. Either my hair grew or that wig shrunk. But it don't fit. And so I was showing you how it looked when I was trying to pull it on, but for some reason I don't know. It just don't fit. It was fitting before. Now it doesn't fit. So yeah, I was gonna just go ahead and adhere it, but if I would have adhered it, like it would have fit me like right here. So all of this would have been exposed. And then I thought, well, it's okay because I'm going to wear my hair down on that side. I'll put my part on this side. So I kind of pulled this down to make it actually fit. And then I just got so subconscious because I knew me. At one point, I was going to go like this, and all of that would have been exposed. So I was like, no, I can't do it. So luckily, this wig here, my Indonesian hair, what I actually did is when I washed this hair, I just kind of put it in some flexi rods and threw it in the bag and completely forgot about it. So I was like, I need a wig to wear. So I grabbed this one out, and these curls on this wig is super tight. Super, super tight curls. So these curls are probably going to last all week, but I keep trying to comb it out and kind of loose up some of the curls. So yeah. Well, that kind of pulled them down a little bit. So I guess as the days go by and the more I brush it out, the better it will become. But I'll tell you what, these curls were super curly. But at any rate, I'm thinking I'm going to start doing that. Just having one wig already curled with flexi rods. So if that happens again, which it will, I'll always have one wig prepared and ready to go. Especially now that I have several straight or not straight, but wavy wigs that I can wear. I'll just keep one prepared just for that reason. But yeah, there she is. All right. So yeah. Now I use the Hold Me Down adhesive from Erica J. And so far, I like to hold on it. Again, it reminds me of Bold Hold, pretty similar in everything about it. This particular wig, I think the lace on this wig is horrible because it's kind of thick. Now, mind you, I've made 2 units with, what's the name? Mahogany Textures. So I purchased from Mahogany Textures oh God, where'd her brain go? It just took a real quick nap. So I bought 2 wigs from Mahogany Textures with the Indonesian hair, and both of the frontals for that hair is different. Okay, one frontal is thick, the other one's pretty thin. This is the thick one. And I don't like it because I used, her mind just left, the Bold Hold lace dye, and I don't like the color of it. So it kind of meshed in this lace, so I should have washed it, but I didn't. But I totally do not like the way the color looks. And again, I've just probably purchased the wrong color for my skin tone, which is probably all it is. So what I did do is I just went back to my norm and made me my own dye. And I used this dye on my other wig that I was going to wear. And when I pushed it up against my skin, it was like the perfect match. So I was kind of excited about that. Plus, I put some beautiful wand curls in the hair. I was really excited and ready to wear that unit. So a little disappointed. But still, all in all, I still like my Indonesian hair. Also, it's just a little tight. But I'll work with it. Anyway, here you go. Ciao.
A place you've never been before. Oh yeah. Ooh. Let's get in the shower. Girl, I wanna get you in the mood. I ain't in no rush. I got so many things to do to you. Whatever you need, baby girl, I'm willing to believe. I'm getting excited. Baby girl, and your body is calling. Let me take you to my bedroom. Make your body go boom, boom, boom. Step into my bedroom. Make your body go boom, boom, boom. Let me take you in my bedroom. Make your body go boom, boom, boom. Step into my bedroom. Make your body sing. Bedroom, I can feel all of your desire. Come on, girl, let's set this night on fire. 'Cause we'll be making love, rolling between the sheets. Keep your mind and your body on please, baby. When I take you in my bedroom, I make your body go boom, boom. Take you in my bedroom, make your body go boom, boom, boom. Inside this bedroom, I'm gonna make your body sing. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna do something to you, baby. Oh, you might think I'm a freak. Whatever you need, girl. I'm gonna feel all of your fantasy. Getting it on, from the bed to the floor. I'm gonna make your body sweat. Hold tight, I know we're getting so hot. Oh, I'm gonna hit the right spot. Getting it on, from the bed